You cannot do a public display of these women.
I am tired. They should go.
And then you say they should go. Little experience I have. First of all, you, madam. Which married woman have your mother ever slept in your father's friend's house? You know medically. I don't know if you know my story. I came out from medical school. You know they still a way to trace it. This baby they are talking about is the accusation.
Can your wife talk to you like this? MC, I've known you for years. Your wife cannot talk to you like this because this 2024, I didn't agree for anybody. This 2024, these two women will come off. I know they do again.
I will not leave this house, so.
Hold on. Lemon, please. Alex, I'm suspecting something. Alex, you are biased. Because I see that whenever he has to do with her, you are quiet. When he has to do with her, your voice is soft.
Now, do you know?
Even me and Lola, when they so, maybe say it too sweet. You have to manage what you have. Oh, this baby.
Senators,
you know we still have a way to trace the baby. Have you checked your blood pressure? As I'm here, I have high blood pressure. Small pity, you will go get stroke, die.
You're coming. I really appreciate your coming. But at this point, I know they do again. This one don't turn to from one problem to the other. This one now, I don't know what I don't know what thing goes to the Peking. She cooked up stories. This one at the phone at the top. What thing you go do for my friend's house? You went to my friend's house for 2 good times. What thing you go do as a married woman?
Lemon, do you know say when I sometimes I came in here for just one basic reason. And you talk to carry water. Wait for me, who is your mate? I came here for one basic reason. In 2019, Thomas Estate, you came and met me and say, bros, maybe we work together. Before you know, I don't know anything about you left us. Now you are doing well. A small boy where you be, you went and carried 2 women. 2. And you carry 2 women and you expect that you will not have issues. Then you are called and they come to consult issue, they tell me say, I don't want to do again. As what?
No, MC, you good as the talent. I'm very, very happy that you're saying it. If you cannot listen to me as your elder brother, listen to an outsider. Thank God he's your senior colleague. Look at the disgrace. You think a madman is ashamed of himself? Now the family shame they catch. But tell him, you will listen to you more.
You went and carried 2 women. First of all, madam, you. They say you go sleep for man's house. A best friend house.
It was actually away the second time I went. Even the first time, I went to assist him in doing sadaka. But this
What sadaka?
That they used to give the less privilege something. That was what I went to. I even went to assist him.
On whose permission?
He was aware. Only for him to start denying now that he had no idea about it. We spoke to him on
I was aware.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me accept the fact that I was aware. Why did you sleep in his house?
Sorry, but I'm going to say something.
Jesus! I married liar.
You said
the liar married so.
Can you just come down for once?
Lemon, remember it's your elder brother. Now only me and they will come here. Now only you. I won't be here because you are so arrogant lately. You are so arrogant. You can talk to
boss.
But if I don't know about this job, I don't know you. I just want to say yes.
Boss, you know say me, I know they like that. But boss, I don't go lie. Before God and man, I swear, especially Mary, Mary don't frustrate me. Mary don't bring the demon in me.
That's why I'm here. So you will calm down and let me listen to her. Go ahead, please.
I was sick. Unfortunately, when I went to the house the second time.
But why are you smiling?
I'm not smiling. But the second time when I went, I didn't even expect to go. I just went there for normal thing that we were doing. So like I now had my teeth started paining me. I now had to stay there. The second day I did a live video with his cousin. Everybody was aware that I was in Wise One's house. I did a live video with his cousin, with everybody. So my face was swollen that day. And people were even asking what happened to your looking door. And I said, I'm not feeling too well. But my man here doesn't even know that anything is wrong with me. He doesn't know. Even from the time he went to shoot his movies, he did as if I was not existing. I even promoted his movies. I did everything. This man here didn't even comment on that the post, but he could appreciate the side chick.
Who is the side chick here?
She is the one. Because he could appreciate her, but he could not appreciate his own wife.
No, wait.
And I decided to stay on my own since you don't want to have anything.
Come, bros, is there anything I'm missing?
Then let me just
side chick or somebody I got married to.
Who did you marry?
I got married to her.
Who did you marry?
The difference between you and Joy is that I did not do a court marriage with her.
You see the
And
problem?
I did a court marriage with you. So
What
don't
is
go
the
outside
problem?
chick.
No, what is still the problem?
For the fact
What
that
is
you
wait.
you are
No,
always
Alex,
looking
wait,
like
let me
a
talk.
none of you are
No.
If they
What
leave
is
me, I will
my
say you are
thought?
very confused. Don't you? If you
What
open-
is my thought?
if you
Everybody
open your
play
mouth,
allegation on me. But what is Mary thought? You
Baba,
open your mouth and be
This is
talking.
it. This is what, ever since I stepped my foot into this house, this is what I'm seeing. Nobody knows who is the elder. Nobody knows who is junior. Everybody is at equal rate. My brother doesn't listen to me. How do you expect his wives to listen to me?
Come, madam. You. What happened to the baby?
When I got pregnant, her mother and her mother came. They came, and the mother was threatening me that I'm not going to use my 2 eyes. Neither is my husband going to use his 2 eyes to see the baby. I did not even say anything about that one. The next day, I keep falling on the bedroom. In the bedroom, I'll be falling down, using my stomach to be hitting the floor. Not only that, I never knew all this thing was actually spiritual. I never knew they were using the spiritual way on me. I went to his mother's house because I was kind of bored because this house is always on fire. I went to the mother's house. When they ate the pepper soup I ate, from there I went to the hospital. On my way coming back to the mother's house, that is when I had to call them that I'm already in the mother's house. So before they now, all of a sudden my stomach started reacting, which I don't know why. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't even know how. Then they now came and his brother came to pick me from the mother's house, and that was how I came back and I found out that I was.
Sorry, MC, let me tell you. I will tell you something. Joy, I want to ask her a question. Why is it that it was not up to 1 week? I remember vividly that it was not up to 1 week. They said we'll go for DNA. The next thing we heard was the baby is.
Who is they say?
Hold on.
Who is they say?
Hold on.
Wait.
Allow me. I want you to get to something. Allow me. The baby went out. Joy, you're bringing my mother that you went to our house. You get the ghost, eh? See, see, let me tell you.
If it's this point,
Don't bring my mother into this thing.
If it's this point, I'm not going to support. I told you,
are bringing my
to that number. Don't mention my mother from your mouth.
Lemon.
Don't mention my mother from your mouth.
If you tell me,
I'm sorry.
If you call me to intervene for something and you don't want to allow me to intervene,
I'm
then
sorry.
You just tell me.
See the way she's talking about my.
No, you asked me a question
Have you
and I
gone
replied,
mad?
I don't get it.
You don't do. Lemon.
Boss, sorry.
This life, no be cup of beans. Even me and Lola when they so, let me say it too sweet. You have to manage what you have. Nobody is perfect. Because from the way these people are going, if you continue like this, I was telling Brain Jota, have you checked your blood pressure? As I'm here, I have high blood pressure. Small pity, you will go get stroke, die. Because of problems. You have to calm down in 2024. Now beg, I beg you.
If David die, I go bury him. This is not the first time I'm saying it. Makachine Kekebunagabo. Abangia the other day. If anything should happen to him because of this
Is
case.
that what you are saying? You say,
I'm sorry, I go
don't
bring
behave
to
like that. Don't behave like that.
Because
why you go talk
it's a
like
shame
that?
to have a brother that does not listen to you. You know the pain. I will call my brother. Let us sit down and talk man to man. You are a man. I'm not saying you as a boy.
It's fine. It's okay.
MC, no, sorry.
It's
Sorry.
okay. I will step
Don't
in
worry.
in this matter. With the little experience I have. First of all, you, madam. Which married woman have your mother ever slept in your father's friend's house?
That's what exactly I'm talking about. That's what
I
I just
very
want you.
improper. You went there to do something. If there was no, why you don't go hotel or go somewhere else? Why will you sleep?
At least she has money. How much is hotel? 20K, 30K, 15K. You don't see better hotel where you say, go put your head down. He said no. Answer, not only this my friend, eh? Like not only my friend, eh?
Very unfair. Very, very unfair that a married woman is sleeping in another man's house.
You don't open your mouth, they talk, say, I was in his house. Shame never clear and talk. He said, go lie. Everybody know that I'm in wise son's house. On top in bed. How stupid and how foolish you are.
It's okay.
You see, you get brag, you open your mouth.
But more that they are using something on you, will not be able to.
Who is using something on me?
I beg, please shift.
See, look at how she's talking to me. MC, no, can your wife talk to you like this?
You don't even deserve it.
MC, I've known you for years. Your wife cannot talk to you like this. They don't even, your wife don't even. When you talk, your wife don't
He
even.
loves his wife and
Why?
he
This
never
one
brought
dey
another
different.
person inside his wife's house. He respects his wife, unlike you.
Hey!
You respect your own
Hey, trouble they sleep. I can't wake up. She's provoking me right now.
What I'm telling you, it's them one day. If you keep shouting and you slump, it's them that one day. I'm still saying it. 100%.
My job is to come and bring peace to this room. I want to bring peace. At some point, I was excited seeing that you were even cohabiting with these two women. I called the talk, say, we need to even study the lemon. Not for me to turn again and see chaos everywhere. Madam.
This one our war this time around. MC, this time I don't marry anybody again. I don't do again. MC before God and man. I don't do again. Where they go?
For mouth.
I don't do again. Where they go? Me, I don't tire.
For mouth.
No, you cannot. You cannot do a public display of these women.
I am tired.
They
should go.
And then you say they should go. Who wants to marry them? Now who wants to marry them for you? So after you don't for over how many years you don't carry these women?
Now they say they use the man to say they get men outside. This one saying get politician. This one saying get men.
Madam, you say you have politicians.
No, because I see that's what I was saying. Hello, excuse me. Why you want to say that? No, don't misquote my word.
I'm misquoting
you. Are misquoting my word. He said, Wazon and him said they're going to arrest me. And I'm going to sleep in jail. I said, if they arrest my husband will not accept. And I have senators and chairladies that are going to come and bail me out. That was what I said. Stop misquoting my word.
A married woman that is in her husband's house and telling you that she has senators.
I even mentioned my husband that is not going to allow me to sleep one day in prison.
I am not after your husband.
You are just misquoting if it's my turn, that's why you want more to
if it's your turn,
yes,
madam,
you always lay
you have
on me.
senators.
Madam,
They will come.
This baby.
Senators
You
will
know
come.
we still have a way to trace the baby. You know medically. I don't know if you know my story. I came out from medical school. You know there's still a way to trace it. This baby they are talking about, is the accusation true?
Lemon is the owner of the child and he knows that. He has never one day opened his mouth and
Tell us the hospital and the doctor.
Madam,
Tell the hospital and the doctor.
don't call my name from there. Don't
Let her tell the
So
hospital
are you
and the
not trying to
doctor.
say you don't know that that child is your own?
What I'm trying to say is,
Because I don't understand.
fine and good, I accepted the child, but I did not know the whereabouts of the child.
That
So
me,
they don't put
are you
allegation
not
on my-
saying that I was the one that took the child away?
Where did
Do I know?
Okay,
The
what
hospital
happened
and
to
the doctor
child?
will decide.
What happened to the child?
I don't know. All of a sudden, I just had miscarriage.
Hey, Jesus.
I did not expect.
Is it a bit like
honestly.
film for my eye? MC, that's why I tell you, I'm no more interested again. Almost all my senior colleagues of go say, I respect you a lot. As he does say you won't come, you won't talk to me and say, but okay, okay, boss, come. Many won't come and say me no when they did. Because this 2024, I didn't agree for anybody. This 2024, these two women will come off. I know they do again.
I will not leave this house, so.
You will not leave.
I will not leave this house.
That's
You
not
don't
really
leave
start
because
crying.
this house that
There's no
they
point
took
to
my
start
child
crying.
away.
There's no point to start crying here, please.
Come on, like yes. Now, so this one will go online. Like, imagine this one. When we say I brush up, I'm trying to say this. I brush her up. I don't think all the talk what I do for this one family. She tell me say me. She put 15
one of the
wait. She
you are
said
having.
she put 50 million naira for my family. Who does this for 50 million
It
naira?
is a lie. It is a lie.
Who put 50 million naira? Women have put allegation on.
Let him show you the account balance of that joint account.
See, make it there. Women have put allegation on.
I did a business once that
MC.
and I kept the
Whose
balance back. I
business?
should bring it out.
Whose business?
See,
Who's
bring
the started the
proof and
business?
stop
Who's
lying.
gonna marry you?
Bring proof.
Who's proof? There is no proof. There is no
Why you
evidence.
lying? Bring
Look at this liar.
Lemon.
Liar.
Lemon. What?
MC, this girl know what's here.
Allow the person
I
that
am
wants to talk.
tired.
Allow him talk.
This girl know what's here. What now? She dey fight for divorce.
Please tell him to divorce me. I've said
Look at there. This
It's
girl
my
collect
next
3 million from
I've told
account.
Alex.
If it's
I am
collect
ready.
from
Any if cost like they should give me 50, I am dropping it immediately.
Yeah.
Sign, let me
You
go.
know, Agbero. That be the
Sign,
family.
let me go.
The other day, you bring a
Call my
carry come
family
here.
anything.
You bring a come here. Carry phone break my head.
Call my family.
I nearly land for hospital.
Call my family.
You don't.
Madam, you
Madam.
don't be small, madam.
Wait, madam, you say you
You
want
don't come
to
out for play.
I want to go.
You want to
if
go?
I don't marry, it's fine. If I die single, no problem.
No, wait now. You want to go? Is that what you?
Yes, I just want to go.
You want to go? You want
I
to
cannot leave. I'm not leaving this house. I'm staying.
So you want to leave the house that you suffered and built for another woman?
House that I've been praying to stay, I've been fighting, collected insult, knelt down to beg him. She will want to leave. He will kneel down to beg
No,
her.
This lady,
He
they
will never
pretend.
beg
She
his
go
own
say she
wife.
won't go. She no
Once
go
something
anywhere.
go say she won't go.
She want to go. She won't go before.
He can-
She don't
he
go
has
before. Go for
never
another
begged.
man. I feel. You know what is that taboo?
If
You go before. You go for another
man,
man.
what is your problem? Let me be going. You said you are tired.
Okay. So
Woman, why I catch her with another man for
For
restaurants.
restaurant, though.
He deny am. Oh Jesus! Before God and man, this girl come back.
He
She
needs
deny
everything
am.
when you show
FC.
I knelt down and beg you.
You know, this is a bloody lie. I can never trust this woman again.
Hey, God.
Do you know? But MC, make I come play this
Alex.
one. This one na the
Did
worst
I
of
not
all.
kneel down and beg your brother?
You beg, Coco, right tears. Let me
Alex,
tell you.
No, but
please,
Alex, wait,
so-
Alex, wait, Alex,
Alex,
wait.
please stop. Did I
Hold
not
on,
kneel
hold
down
on.
and beg you?
Lemon, please, Alex. I'm suspecting something. Alex, you are biased. Because I see that whenever he has to do with her, you are quiet. When he has to do with her, your voice is up.
Now, do you know